Struggling to decide between Keepa and BuyBot Pro for your Amazon product research? Let's break down these powerful tools so you can choose the perfect one to skyrocket your sales. First up, Keepa. Its core strength is its detailed price history tracking. You get comprehensive charts displaying price fluctuations, sales rank, and buy box history over time. Critical for spotting product trends and potential profitability, this is invaluable for understanding how product has performed historically. Now, let's look at BuyBot Pro. It's designed to be an all-in-one deal analysis tool. Its profit calculator instantly estimates your potential profit margins. Factoring in various costs, it also analyzes your competition, helping you gauge market saturation and pricing strategies. Keepa offers a browser extension that seamlessly integrates with Amazon, displaying price history directly on product pages. It's relatively straightforward to use, but mastering its advanced features can take some time. BuyBot Pro focuses on speed and efficiency. Its interface is designed to quickly provide key decision-making data. The learning curve is generally lower than Keepa, making it user-friendly, especially for beginners. Pricing is a key differentiator. Keepa offers free access to basic features and paid plans for advanced data. BuyBot Pro operates on a subscription basis, providing access to all its features for a monthly or annual fee. Keepa is ideal for analytical users who require detailed historical data and are comfortable spending time analyzing trends. BuyBot Pro is better suited for users who want a quick and easy-to-understand analysis of potential deals, perfect for retail arbitrage and online arbitrage. So, which one is right for you? If you need extensive historical data and don't mind a steeper learning curve, go with Keepa. If you want a fast, all-in-one deal analyzer, BuyBot Pro is your best bet. Choose the tool that aligns with your research style and business goals to maximize your Amazon success.